All schools are scheduled to reopen in the country come October 5th on a virtual platform, and while the same can be said for government preschools, private preschools have the green light to open. One official from the Pan American Health Organization is urging special care be given to COVID-19 as it still remains a high concern.
And clearly any indication of children congregating provides an opportunity for transmission. Children are not immune to infection with COVID-19, and the same protective advice that is given to adults applies to children. We do know that preschoolers may have particular challenges with following instructions, for example, related to hand washing, and that many of them would not be able to wear masks for a prolonged period of time. Therefore, it is very important for those who are coordinating school activities for preschoolers to pay particular attention to hygiene and sanitation and to encourage learning related to prevention amongst young children.
Well, Dr. DeGarville notes that children still need some type of social interaction with their peers, and the use of technology is one way to encourage that.
Whether children are meeting face-to-face or virtually, that parents ensure that they provide an opportunity for children, for example, to speak to each other by Zoom or Skype or on the telephone, and where it's allowed for them to gather in small numbers, that be done. It's very important for their social skills. We are also aware that moving towards virtual learning for children who are in vulnerable situations, that for example, if they're in a dysfunctional family setting where there's domestic violence and so on, that they may be in this setting and in harm's way without the authorities realizing. So for those who are involved in the lives of children, the aunties, the uncles, the grandparents, the close friends of the family, it's important to monitor the interactions in the home and ensure that children are in a safe environment.